Riu Ndeto ng'eni nĩirĩkĩtie kuumbũka ciĩgiĩ Muthoni wa Mukiri na Mûthuri wake Njoroge. The two have been married for a year now, more than a year now. Na Muthoni wa Mukiri ndakĩrĩga gũkorwo agĩshare mbica yake na Mûthuri wake me hamwe, but yesterday being Christmas Day, nĩarakorirwo akĩendithĩria mafans ake othe na followers happy holidays kuma ke na Mûthuri wake. She took to her social media pages and shared this lovely photo here of her and her bae. It's been a while kuma she shared a photo of them together, but yesterday, wishing her fans happy holidays, she shared this photo here. Akiuga happy holidays from the Njoroges, ka love emoji, enjoy. Na kumbania na hau, this photo caught the attention of her followers. Muno ke ma followers ake nĩmareyumĩririe kũmwĩra atĩ they have noticed something different with her, especially her nose. Na oho marakĩyumĩria kũmũ-congratulate in advance nĩ ũndũ wa ũguo mona, if you know what I'm talking about. Her fans nĩmareyumĩririe na gũkorwo makĩihũrĩria na kwĩyumbũrĩra atĩ ona thengia wa Muthoni wa Mukiri gũkorwo akĩrega kũ-admit na gũkorwo akiumbũra atĩ she could be pregnant. Mafans ao nĩmareyonera makiuga the nose tells it all. Na this was both on her Facebook and Instagram pages, kũrĩa mafans ake marakorirwo makĩmũ-congratulate, kũmũhũrĩra makobi na makĩmwĩra rĩu ndangĩkĩrega, the nose is showing. Na ona matirabatara gũkorwo makĩrwo whether she admits it or not, they can see that she is pregnant. Ũguo nĩguo mafans ake marakorirwo makĩmwĩra atĩ nĩmarona she is not just breathing for one but for two, na kaniũrũ being the sign, judging by the size of the nose. Na maragĩkorwo makĩingĩra comment section na kũmwĩra, Jane Wachira akiuga you both look great and by the nose size, congratulations. Dina Gaki aracokia na kuga I thought I'm the only one who saw it. Wow. Nake Waithera Mwiruri akiuga Merry Christmas and congratulations Muthoni, the nose is nosing. Na Judy Kimotho replied akiuga Njoroges amecheza kimbape. Nake Mom T and she akiuga Merry Christmas too, the nose is breathing for many. Na arakorwo akimahũrĩra makofi as a way to congratulate them. Anthony Kibuchi, great holidays too, you both look great. Nake Muthoni wa Mukiri in her Instagram stories ona Kenya rekorirwo akiana ta admit Ndeto ici akiuga ati she is experiencing some cravings. Not ũrĩa ũkiuga rĩrĩa mũtumia aragĩkorwo experience cravings, it is mainly when she is expectant. Na she shared a video of what she is craving. These are kind of cocktail kana juice haha with the song Cravings playing in the background. Na oho of late ndakoretwo agĩshare mbica of her full body, akoretwo agĩshare mbica cia her chest going upwards. Ndakoretwo akĩrekereria mbica ciake full kuonania nĩma she is trying to cover it, no hanini mafans ake nĩmaramũcanũka na rĩu nĩmarĩkĩtie kwĩihũrĩria atĩ she is expecting her first baby with her husband Njoroge. Na ona kumwena wa Instagram mafans still no mareyumĩririe gũkorwo makĩmũwishĩra nginya safe delivery in advance. This is Sue akiuga happy holidays and safe delivery. Na onake I am Sariwams akiuga the nose tells it all, happy holidays mso. Wow. Na rĩu hatikĩrĩ na nganja atĩ she is actually expecting their first child. Congratulations to these two and all the best to them. Na ndũgakĩriganĩrwo gũ-subscribe for the latest and trending Kikuyu celebrity news. Never miss an update. Subscribe now.